Good morning everyone. My name is Kishore. My work is 25CA6017. So today we are going to see about the register transfer operation. So what we are going to do is simulating data transfer between registers to help the students visualize how CPU will handle internal operations silently. Performing arithmetic operation at register level builds understanding of processor speed and resource optimization for the students. It also refines the concept of instruction execution and temporary data storage. So these are the related COs and practicum. The output of the practicum will be we can develop programs to perform data transfer operation for the given registers. So the algorithm of the program will be we are going to start the program initialize registers. So we are going to set two registers AX and BX with a constant value, and we are going to display initial value of the registers while we run the code, and we are going to transfer data from register BX to register AX. That is, we are going to equalize, that is AX equal to BX. We are going to do that operation also. Then we are going to display the registers after the transfer, and we are going to end the program. So basically what is a register? Small storage space inside CPU. Transferring all data from register to another register means copying data from one register to another. The old data will be still available in the old register. After transferring, both register can hold the same data also. So we are going to do it in the SimLab. So here this is the code. So we are initializing AX equal to 5 and BX equal to 10, and then we are printing the initial value. After doing this, they are transferring data from AX to BX register. So that way we put AX equal to BX. So we are printing after transfer data also. So initially we have 5 in AX and 10 in BX. After transfer, that is AX equal to BX, the BX data will be transferred to AX. So the final output will be AX equal to 10 and BX equal to 10. So here you can see the output. Initial value is 5 10, after transfer 10 10. So here we have done code. For example, so these are the observation we have made. Initially the AX is given the value 5, BX given the value 10. After executing the transfer, that is AX equal to BX, the value is same for both AX and BX. So that is the observation made from this code.